Hello, I'm at the YMCA. I mean, my work. I won't record your incriminating evidence. I'm due an EVP session, and when I walk to the car, I'm gonna record with the camcorder this time, since we always catch EVPs going to the car. Maybe we'll catch something on camera. You wanna go sit in the playground?
Ooh, yeah.
Probably catch all kinds of things there.
Probably would too. That's what you call a full bag, I guess. There you go.
Yeah.
We're not with that laundry.
Dirty laundry. Cordon. Oh yeah, ham and stuff. Do you need help, or can you get it okay? No, we'll go up and see if he needs help. Do you need help with anything, Flynn? Do you need help carrying anything?
No. One is easy enough. Nothing much here. It's all nice and dry.
Caught an EVP here last night too, but we couldn't really hear it that good.
Renee, she's looking fine.
Oh man, hopefully she doesn't watch my YouTube video.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck. Talking about people at work here.
Playground, I catch a lot of stuff when I walk past it. Kinda wanna go down in it, but I don't have time. I really should go down in there though. You guys still out here? I heard you talk to me last night. Actually, I catch a lot of EVPs in this parking lot too, so I might as well go up there. Keying up. Huh.
I remember I had a tough time at her house too.
I did it the other day. It is hard, I don't know. Mine doesn't even work on my passenger side.
The stubborn one, the driver's side's piece of cake.
Walk around the parking lot.
Driver's side's slicker than hell.
my second white car I've had in my lifetime. I've had one other white vehicle. One of my Delta 88s was white. The first one was. So the first car I bought was white then. The Volare don't count, so I didn't pay for it.
I wish you could like pause this and start it back, but you can't. I don't think you can anyway.
You've owned white vehicles, right?
Yeah, a Tempo. No, Topaz.
Topaz. Is that yours or Darla's?
This is both of ours.
Is that and then the neon also?
Yeah, neon was white. That Topaz actually wasn't that bad of a car at all.
I used to drive that thing around. Yeah, that's a good car. There's Mazda engines in.
I'll probably go do this video and then I'll put like a part 1 and then part 2 I'll have me going over the EVPs. That way I won't have to play them live and stuff.
Oh, right. Yeah.
It's too much of a hassle.
Might pick up something.
I just wish I had all the editing equipment like some people have.
Oh yeah, editing equipment.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
could put the words in
It'd
and
be a lot
stuff.
faster.
Yeah, instead of my cheap stuff.
You get it all from up here. I mean, the cheap stuff still does a good job. It does everything you at least need it to do.
Yeah, I wonder if the good stuff would do pickup.
Cross 7 there. Kind of, sort of. Good. Got a couple extra minutes.
Exactly 6 hours, anyway.
Yeah, so if it's on for 6 hours, it's done. And it's not, I don't think he's worried about 5 minutes late.
We did a lot of extra stuff too. So.
Yeah, exactly 6. So I got 6:20 and 6. 20 extra minutes so far.
I came in a half hour late one day. I'm gonna get the lights. Goodbye, my friends. See you tomorrow.
Should we get to the W before it is? This one squeaks wicked bad. Sounds like a haunted house.
Well, it kind of is.
Yeah, it kind of is. Real fitting for everything. I didn't even care at all tonight on this area here.
This is where we got the EVP. The guy said, "I'm indestructible" or something.
Yeah, I mean,
and it called said a prick ass.
Prick ass. Am I a prick ass? Okay, let's go. Show up. Call me a prick ass, you prick ass. You a prick ass. Well, I think you're a douchebag. That's so cool. Someone mowed the lawn. Yeah, I bet they probably talked over Jim. Well, I don't want these guys to get more than 30 hours.
Is that the women's bathroom?
Oh, shit. Really?
Oh, damn it.
I thought we turned that shit off.
I know. It must have been me. I must have hit the wrong switches.
Yeah.
We'll be alright, you think?
You think she back in and turn it off?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, that'd be a complaint. Shit.
You can show everybody on YouTube how the door opens. Oh. Don't even need keys unless they fixed it.
Let's make that like using the key.
Probably the spirits want us to come back in.
Probably.
They'd be like, oh, they're back again.
Anybody just walk in here. I didn't have to touch that door to make that do that. That's it. We'll have to wait till we do it. We'll get out of here eventually.
Right?
Oh, there's one on over here too.
What?
This one was me.
Oh.
Yeah. That one was me.
There we go.
Yeah.
We both left the light on.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I mean, the other one I couldn't see from the outside. I know when I look at mop back, I forgot to hit the switch. There's no real good. Never know we messed up on that.
I've done it one other time, so.
We'll try this again. This door has a lot of weight.
Yeah. Yeah, we're back, brick ass.
So we're back in quick asses again.
There. That looks off.
Now, something my car probably would give like the main sticker fairly easy. Just get the. I mean, those engine problems have nothing to do with the sticker.
Right. Car's hauling.
Hauling ass.
Jeez. Got that on video.
Damn, high speed pursuit.
Hey, wanna hold my quarter?
Oh, yeah.
They usually talk to me right when I go up these stairs. They must be like right by this tree area.
Yeah. Hi.
But look, it's not even locked, look.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Put it right next to the fence, see if they say anything. Hi.
Hi.
We heard you guys last night. Say what you want, and real quick, we gotta go home though.
We gotta get home.
Alright. Have a
Thank
good
you.
night. Love you guys. Love you guys. The haunted parking lot.
All the lights turned off.
Yep. It's a window open now. Whoops.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there is. Yeah, it's not us. It's not our fault. Was it, you want it still recording?
Yeah, we'll shut it off. Alright, I can do it for you. It's off, alright. Oops, you're playing it. That's alright.